Good morning, everyone. I hope we are all fine. Today we are teaching something on negations. Negations. Negative sentence or une phrase négative, as we say in French. So, when we talk of a negative statement or a negative sentence, we are talking about showing disagreement or expressing your disagreement on something. Good morning, everyone. Bonjour. I hope everybody is doing well. Today we are doing something on negations. Negations. When we talk of negations, that means we are taking a sentence or we are expressing ourselves in the negative form. Good morning, everyone. Bonjour. Today we are doing something on bonjour à tout le monde. Good morning to everyone. Bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all blessed. Bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all doing well. Today we are treating something on negations. Negations. When we talk of negations, that means we are going to form the negative part. Bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all doing well. Today we are treating something on negations. 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 That's negative sentence or une phrase négative, as we say in French. We are going to write or say a sentence or sentence. Bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all doing well. Today we are treating something on negations. Negations. When we talk of negations, we are talking of expressing a disagreement or saying no. Hi. Bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all fine. Hi. Bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all doing well. Today we are treating something on negations. When we talk of negations, we are talking of expressing an agreement. Okay. Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay. Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone. I hope we are all doing well. Today we are doing something on negations. When we talk of negations, we are going to write or say a sentence in the negative form or in the opposite direction, or express a disagreement to a statement being made. Express a disagreement to a statement being made. For example, I can say I go, and the negation for I go will be I do not go. She sings. The negation for she sings will be she does not sing. We have more examples. He comes. The negation will be he does not come. They dance at church. They do not dance at church. I climb the tree. The negation will be I do not climb the tree. And so on. Now, as indicated in point 2 above, most negative statements in French are formed with ne and pas construction, although they are bonjour à tous. Good morning to everyone. I hope we are all doing well. Today we are doing something on negations. Negations. We are going to write or say a sentence in the negative form on the opposite direction, or we are going to express disagreement to a statement that has been made. For example, I go. The negation will be I do not go. She sings. The opposite direction, it will be she does not sing. They swim. They do not swim. We come. We do not come. He dances at church. He does not dance at church. In point 3, most negative statements or sentences in French are formed with ne and pas construction, although there are also other phrases we can use. Now, our concentration is going to be on ne and pas only. Ne and pas only. So we use the expression ne plus the verb plus the pas. That means for us to negate any statement or sentence in French, we always find the verb in that particular statement first. Then we surround the verb with ne and pas. That is ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So the conjugated verb comes between the two parts, ne and pas. So it is ne plus verb plus pas. Ne plus the verb plus pas. Ne plus the verb plus pas. So first of all, you find the verb first. After getting your verb, you are free. Then you write it like this: ne before the verb, then the pas. Thank you. We continue with more examples on this slide. We have the positive statement on one side of the table and the negative statement on the other side. Now, let's pay attention to the following sentences. 1. Je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école means I go to school. I go to school. So we have je vais à l'école, and the negative statement will be je ne vais pas à l'école. Je ne vais pas à l'école. So here, vais is the verb, meaning go. Vais is the conjugated verb. So we have je, then ne, the verb, and the pas. Then we add the rest of the sentence. So we have vais as the verb here. So je, after the je, you search for the verb. The verb is what? Vais. So you put ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Then you are done. Isn't that simple? Ne before the verb, that is vais, and pas after the verb. Then you continue with the rest. The second one is je mange dans la voiture. Je mange dans la voiture. I eat in the car, or I am eating in the car. I eat in the car, or I am eating in the car. So the verb here is eat. That is mange. That's the conjugated verb, mange. So ne, mange, and pas. That's ne plus the verb and then pas. Because we search for the verb first. After that, you put ne before it and pas after it. Now we have je suis petit. Je suis petit. I am small. Je ne suis pas petit. That negative statement. I am not small. So the am is the helping verb here. So you put ne and pas around the verb. Then you are done. That's very simple. Mon frère parle français. Mon frère parle français. My brother speaks French. My brother speaks French. So where is the verb? The verb here is parle, speaks, parle. So we have mon frère, then we have ne parle pas français. Because parle is the verb, so we put ne and pas around parle. Then you are done. To dance à l'église. That's point number 5. To dance à l'église. You dance at church. You dance at church. So the verb is dance. So except for the verb, the negative statement, then put ne and pa around it. So we have tu ne danses pas à l'église. You do not dance at church. So here the verb is dance, dance, dance. So we have tu ne. So ne, then the verb, then the pa. Then we are done. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. We continue on slide 3. Slide 3 talks about the verbs starting with vowels and silent H. Verbs starting with vowels and silent H. As indicated on the slide, you changed the ne, that is ne, to n apostrophe. You change the ne to n apostrophe because the verbs start with vowels and silent H. So we have two statements over there, positive statements and negative statements. Now let's look at the first one. J'aime la chaise. J'aime la chaise. J'aime la chaise means I like the chair, or we can say I love the chair. So I like the chair or I love the chair. Now the negative statement will be je n'aime pas la chaise. Je n'aime pas la chaise. Let's check something here. Je plus n'aime plus pas, then la chaise. Now aime is the conjugated verb. The verb itself is aimer. So the conjugated verb is aime, and it starts with a vowel, A-I-M-E. That's A-I-M-E. So A is a vowel. Start with a vowel. So instead of writing je n'aime pas la chaise, that's je plus ne followed by the verb itself, A-I-M-E. We write it like je n'aime pas because the M starts with a vowel. The M starts with a vowel. That's the verb. In French, two vowels don't mix. That's why we do it like that. Two vowels don't mix. So je n'aime pas la chaise. Write N apostrophe instead of NE. Let's check the second one. J'habite à Accra. I live at Accra. Someone will say I stay at Accra. So the verb is live or stay. I live at Accra. J'habite à Accra. Tu n'habites pas à Accra. The verb is habite. Habit starts with a silent H. Let's note that in French, not all the H are silent. Some are silent, some are not. Here we are dealing with only the silent H. Habit starts with silent H. So we write like this. N'habite, n'habite. Instead of ne, habite. Instead of ne, habite, you write n'habite. That's N apostrophe. Then the verb, then the pas. Number 3. Vous adorez la chemise. Vous adorez la chemise. You love or you adore the shirt. You love the shirt. You adore the shirt. Adorer start with a vowel. Adorer start with a vowel. Adorer start with a vowel. So instead of vous ne adorez pas, you write vous n'adorez pas because adorer starts with a vowel. We can search on the internet, find ER verbs that start with a vowel and practice more on this. Merci beaucoup.